Today I'm excited to announce the next breakthrough in innovation from Milwaukee Tool for the professional arborist. This past pipeline, we first introduced our commitment to understanding the needs of the arborist from the grassroots level and leveraging those needs as a guiding light to meaningfully drive disruptive innovation year after year to improve the tree care industry. So today we're going to be talking about that next step in driving disruptive innovation into the tree care space. So through our research, we've found that not every single cut is going to be within reach when leveraging a standard chainsaw. So for those extended reach applications, the arborist is leveraging a telescoping pole saw. Now today, with telescoping pole saws, the arborist is forced to compromise. Either they're leveraging a gas telescoping pole saw, which delivers the performance they require, but the arborist has to deal with those gas headaches, which can especially be a pain for a tool that they're not leveraging every single day, all day. Or the arborist chooses to leverage a battery pole saw, which avoids the headaches of gas, but now they have to take a compromise in terms of performance, where they're not getting the speed or power required to stay productive and in control to make nice, clean pruning cuts. So with this compromise, we've seen a tremendous opportunity to meaningfully innovate for the professional tree care user. So introducing for the first time, the M18 FUEL telescoping pole saw. This pole saw is the industry's most powerful pole saw, delivering peak power levels over 2.3 horsepower, meaning 35% more power than the leading competitor, allowing users to take on even the most demanding pole saw applications. We're also delivering the fastest cutting telescoping pole saw, running at over 25 meters per second and getting up to speed in just under 1 second with FUEL technology. We're able to make fast, clean pruning cuts to increase productivity for our users. Now we're delivering this best-in-class power and best-in-class speed of cut, all without the headaches associated with gas. So all you have to do to access best-in-class performance is pick the saw up and pull the trigger. Now, today we're going to be demoing the performance of this saw versus the leading competitor in the space, which happens to be a 36cc gas telescoping pole saw. And we're going to be cutting through this hardwood ash log. So let's see how we do. Three, two, one, go! Not only did we power through this demanding hardwood application, but we did it faster than the leading competitor in the space, all without the headaches of gas. Now this is just the next step in our commitment to continuing to add value to the investment that tree companies have already started to make into our Milwaukee systems. This is just the tip of the iceberg in our commitment to relentlessly driving disruptive innovation to improve the tree care industry.